I'm gonna show you how to double the life of your tires. So I had a guy come up to me the other day and he's like, "Dude, I've been watching your videos and I got some new tires. What's the best way to make them last longer?" And I was like, no. You already had tires when you came to my channel. Why would you buy new ones just because yours wore out? That makes no sense. He's like, "Well, what do you mean?" I said, "Do you know how much it costs to have a flat tire on the side of the road in the middle of the night? Do you know how much it costs to get a tow and then go to the tire shop and get a new one? It's not cheap," he said. "Well, how much does it cost if you take proper care of your tires?" I said, "It's gonna cost you about $12 every 3 months. That's $4 a month to make your tires last as long as possible. Let me show you what that looks like over 5 years. So if we take good care of our tires for 5 years, that's going to be 60 months. That's only going to cost us $140. If you do and take care of your tires and you end up having to replace them because they re-worn out, let me show you what that looks like. The average tire is about $300. Now, depending on the brand, it could be more or less, but we're just going to average it at $300 for one tire. If we need 4 tires, that's going to be $1,200 every 60,000 miles. Now, depending on how you drive, you may get more or less, but we're just going to average it right here at 60,000 miles. So if we look at this from a high level, you can see right here over a 5-year period, 60 months, if you take good care of your tires, it's going to cost you $140. If you don't, it's going to cost you $1,200. That is a savings of $960 over 5 years, and that's just in tire replacement. It doesn't even include the cost of the alignment, or the balancing, or the rotations, or the machine time to get those things done. So it is actually going to be even more expensive if you do and take care of your tires. You can watch all the videos on tire care in the playlist provided. But basically, you need to keep your tires inflated to the proper pressure. Make sure you rotate them every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. And then, you should be able to double the life of your tires. And that will save you thousands of dollars over the life of your tires. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, have a wonderful day.